So first we're going to drop a marble through this tube, and it's going to hit the dominoes, which hits the wood, and it's going to activate the Vex Robotic, and it's going to hit this power switch, which will turn on the hairdryer, and will blow the marble over here, and hit this button, which will activate the wheel right up there. And then this marble will come down and hit this marble here, which will hit this one and push this down and activate the rocket. So this is where we would put the marble down the hole. We'd flip the switch, and this would start turning. The marble would follow up, go through this hole that we have in here. It would fall down here, fall down this one. It would usually go up here, but we have that block, and then it would fall down, and the marble would hit the dominoes and hit the foam ball. And the foam ball would hit these pair of dominoes, which would hit this metal ball. And the metal ball will hit the switch, and then that will make the claw open up, dropping the mouse to hit the car with the pocket lab on it, which flips the switch for the Vex, which then moves over so the rocket can shoot out at the target. 2, 1, go. Yeah! We made this control out of little bits, which controls the propeller, and the propeller also controls the infrared. And
it turns on the popcorn machine.
Okay, nice and loud. When the popcorn pops, this Lego leg will has a motion sensor right here, and the popcorn will drop right here. Motion sensor will sense it, and this leg has a tack attached to it. Will kick the balloon with the ball inside, causing the balloon to pop.
This balloon holds a marble, and when the balloon is popped, the marble will go down this tube, hit this airplane, and the airplane will go down the ramp. So right here we have a regular model Lego Mindstorms EV3 Education of Kind. I built this other thing to contain the Pocket Lab and an ultrasonic sensor. So when the plane goes down the ramp, it'll trigger this sensor, which will cause the robot to drive up and hit the dominoes. The Pocket Lab will measure the acceleration of as you can see, we have this little person trying to run away from it. So the robot will hit this first domino, which will knock down all of these dominoes, which will knock this ball, which will knock the ball down too. We decided to make it in an airplane shape because our theme was an airplane. As the dominoes hit the ball comes down this pipe. The ball comes down out of this pipe, hits the domino block, and it goes down and it says 3, 2, 1 and blasts off.
The almost final step is when the last blast off domino hits the scissors top part end, which cuts the scissors, which cuts the string, and the string is on a pulley holding up this thing for the rocket, or other known as our arrow, which is going to be launched onto the target, and then mission accomplished.
hits dominoes, then the dominoes lead to wooden dominoes, then the wooden dominoes then lead to a car that goes down.
The bigger domino will hit the car attached to the pocket lab, and the pocket lab will measure the speed. Then the car will come down and trigger a mindstorm.
Once the car hits this button right here, the mindstorms will activate the program, and then it'll come back, activating the program.
Okay, so once the mindstorm falls this way, the pendulum will swing and then hit the lever thingy, which will set off the Vex.
Once the pendulum hits the limit switch on the Vex, this engine will turn the wheel and tighten the string and hopefully cut the string. This string.
The Vex will cut the string, which will allow the rocket to launch and hit a bullseye.
Okay, so if you have an idea, then press the pink button to deliver it. And then Paco will deliver it to you.
So then that hits the marbles, which sends it to Crackco itself. And then it hits the ball, sends the idea, makes it, and sends it.
Yeah, I'm not good at aiming when I'm not looking.
When this ball rolls down, the idea triggers the sensor moves 2 marbles from the conveyor down the pipe to the dominoes.
Once the dominoes are hit, it triggers this.
Which is a robotic rammer hooked up to a pulley system, which, when activated, and it will launch a straw rocket towards the target.
Into the mail. And if you look in our mail, we wanted a screw. And we got screws from Crackco.